If you don't know where your tools are, then organize your tools. But if you don't want to organize your tools, know where your tools are. Like down here on the floor is the piece to get the emblem. Hello. My hood. So the paint isn't good. It isn't bad. It isn't.
Love you.
Love you, babe. It's okay. It's okay. We can make it a little bit better than okay. But it needs more than I can do. But that's okay. We're going to try to wet sand it and give it the best that it can be. It's seen better days. It has. It will see better days. We all will. So, let's get to it. Of course, you know, the 40-year-old air shock is not going to hold it. So we have our hood prop. So, surprise to me. Well, someone had painted over the door handles with spray paint. So I put them in a bag with some Rust-Oleum aircraft remover. I'm surprised the bag is not melted. Shout out Ziploc. But B, it turns out that they're metal underneath. I thought they were just plastic. Through the mush. It's metal underneath. So I actually might